Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back again to the channel. It's another video, and hope you guys are doing great. Today's recipe, we are making shortbread cookies. So let's check on the ingredients. I have all-purpose flour, some powdered sugar, margarine, powdered milk, and also cornstarch and salt. So these are the ingredients I will be using for my shortbread. So without wasting time, let's get started. Into a bowl, I will add my margarine and also my powdered sugar. I will mix them together. If today is your first time of seeing this channel, thanks for clicking on this video. Please don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel and also click on the bell icon to get notified each time I post a video. So guys, please stay tuned. Okay, from at this point, I will add my dried ingredients. That's my flour, cornstarch, powdered milk, and salt. I will mix everything until it is well incorporated. And I want to use this opportunity to thank my new subscribers. Thanks for being part of this wonderful family. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are too much. Thank you for always watching my video and leaving a comment. All this helped me to do more, and I do appreciate it a lot. And if you are still with me up to this time, thank you so much. Please do me a favor by subscribing and click the bell icon for notification whenever I upload a video. Okay, fam, we now have our dough here. This looks so beautiful. Just look at this, and I really love how it's so smooth. I'll just wipe it and then put this in the fridge for some minutes. Alright, guys, after some time in the fridge, the dough has become hard, and I'll place this on my parchment paper and then roll it until it becomes flat. After that, I will just trim the edges of the dough in order for me to get the square shape that I want. Okay guys, so after rolling the dough to be flat, I then cut them into rectangular shape, or you can also cut it into any shape of your choice. If you have any round object, you can use it to cut your dough. And after that, I will also use fork to poke each pieces a couple of times before baking. So whilst doing this, the oven is already preheated at 180 degrees. Okay, at this point, I will transfer it into my baking pan and I will bake this for 20 to 15 minutes. So after 20 minutes, our shortbread is well baked and I will let it cool down a bit. Guys, this is our shortbread cookies looking so yummy and inviting. And as Christmas is approaching, let's make these delicious cookies for our family and they will love it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you find this video interesting, please do me a favor by subscribing to the channel, like this video and also comment on this video. See you guys in my next video.